Hey everyone and welcome to CGFamily. In this video, we're gonna learn how to convert our Xgen primitives to polygons. So I have this scene setup that I made with a toonish look, and I'm gonna convert these grass to the polygon surface. Now that's pretty easy. Actually, you have the inbuilt option in the preview and output. So I think you will be on the render tab. So all you need to do is go from render to create geometry and change some settings to the way you like. For example, I don't need the selected primitives to be converted. I need them all to be converted. I need them combined. You can check or uncheck if you want the separate pieces or combined mesh. Use the width ramp, this ramp that we have set here, for the shape of it, and some other settings along with it. Now, this is important. If you need the joints in your grass or in any surface, if you need them to be animated, skinned, then you can tick on this option, and then it's gonna set one joint or specific number of joints for your grass. But in our case, I don't need them, so I'm gonna uncheck it. Now, all you need to do is press create geo, and in an instant you have your mesh. Now let's isolate and give it Lambert and kind of darkish green feeling, and there's a grass, and this is just one single mesh. Now we can just go ahead and reduce it if we want. Let's say 70%. Now this looks, yeah, this looks amazing. So we had around 93,000 polygons, and now we have 28, and this doesn't look bad. I'll be fine with it. There's not much difference from this distance. Alright, so this was it for this quick video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.